Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Klipsch T5 Sport wireless earbuds. So we're going to start with opening up the box here. We'll have an overview of everything as well. So down here we've got the nice sticker here with the Klipsch logo on it. Cut that up. Pull the box down. There's two flaps here. Underneath is the manual for the earbuds. It's got all the instructions, how to charge everything, how to use all the buttons on it. And then we've got a little pouch for a carrying case. It's got the Klipsch logo on it and drawstring. Then there is a little bag with different earbuds. So these are labeled premium earphone tips for the comfort. There's going to be different tips in here as well. Klipsch is known for their patented oval-shaped ear tips that fit into the ear canal a little bit better. There's another bag that have different ear tips as well as wings to go into your ear cavity here. So we'll pull out the rest of it. As we pull it out, we've got the earbuds. We've got the rest of the piece here. So it's a nice braided piece. Then we've got the bag with charging cable and a silica packet here. Come around here and give you a little closer look. So you can see it is only a couple feet long. The earbuds have their oval tip. A nice copper piece on the back here. Got the braided material with the black and copper. On the one side we've got the Klipsch logo, and on the other side you've got a flap for the charging port for the USB, volume up and down, and then a center button that can be used for next song, answering the phone, etc. Ideal for the active person, the Klipsch T5 Sport provides unrivaled comfort, a long-lasting battery, and legendary sound clarity. The patented comfort ear tips and miniature drivers ensure the earphones stay in place comfortably for hours. Plus, the T5 Sport is rated and tested at IPX4 and will resist sweat, moisture, and rain. Klipsch in-ear monitors utilize patented contour ear tips that are designed to accurately sit inside the ear canal. These soft oval silicone tips reduce ear fatigue, provide the ultimate comfort, and an excellent seal for noise isolation and superior bass. They fit better, they feel better, and only Klipsch has them. With your choice of patented oval ear tips, memory foam tips, and optional ear wings, the T5 Sport stays in your ears regardless of what you're doing. The T5 Sport uses a single lithium-ion battery to deliver over 10 hours of listening to music and taking calls. The integrated CVC microphone automatically enhances voice clarity and actively reduces environmental noise to ensure your calls are loud and clear. With Bluetooth 5, aptX, and aptX HD, the signal is as good as wired with no delay during video playback. Supporting 48 kHz and 24-bit LPCM audio, aptX HD is indistinguishable from high-resolution audio. The T5 Sport also supports multi-point pairing, so you can pair two devices at once. The T5 Sport earphones include wings that assist keeping the earphones in your ears. The advanced 3-button remote offers full control of both smartphone models, including Android and Apple devices, allowing seamless control of music and phone calls. The raised controls let you pick up calls, adjust volume, and track through songs. The T5 Sport earphones provide two options for wear: down and loose, or tighten the cord for secure, unobtrusive fit, with the cable management piece included in the box. For a true custom fit and unparalleled security in your ear, a pair of Compli TS100 comfort foam tips are included. The dramatic increase in ear retention ensures marathon readiness. IPX4 rated, meaning these earphones will withstand the elements. Also, the Klipsch Connect App adds extra features and lets you personalize your experience. You can stay on top of your battery level, EQ settings, firmware upgrades, and more. This is available for download on the iPhone and Android app stores. The T5 Sport are an in-ear monitor with dynamic moving coil micro speaker that measures in 5 millimeters. There is a CVC 8.0 single mic with a frequency response of 10 Hz to 19 kHz. There's a noise isolation of negative 22 dB, an 80 milliamp hour battery, Bluetooth 5.0, a range of up to 10 meters or 33 feet. The weight is 12.7 grams. It's available in black or white. As always, if you're needing any products from Klipsch, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Pure Media Systems is a proud partner and authorized dealer of Klipsch. If you're in the DFW area, we can help you install your products, or we can ship nationwide. If you're just wanting to purchase products from Pure Media Systems, don't hesitate to give us a call, and you can set up yourself. We can deliver directly to you or have shipped directly to your home. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and please click that bell icon to get notified of future videos.